What is going on, my beautiful Toshi family? Hope you guys are having a beautiful day. I know that I am, guys. It has been a while since I have been back in the lair and making some Toshi videos. It feels good to be back, guys. Toshi family, if you guys are seeing me back in my old crib here, we're finally back from vacation. We've been traveling for a bit now, and honestly, that's what I've been recommending that a lot of you guys do. It's just take a step out of the markets, as you know, markets are obviously very lackluster right now. I could see at the corner of my eye the fear and greed index taking a little bit of a toll yet again. It just seems like we're never getting a break in this market. Well, we're going to be reviewing Toshi, one of the best meme coins for this crypto bull run. And we're going to be taking a look at why is the community so extremely bullish on this thing. I don't think I've seen a cult-like community as strong as Toshi's. If you guys are new around here, make sure you guys subscribe, you hit the bell notification, and you like this video so YouTube pushes it out in the algorithm just a little bit more. If you haven't already, guys, I really would appreciate you guys subscribing because it's been a very, very slow month to say the least. Again, we're trying to get to 19,000 and then 20,000. At 20K, you better believe we are going to be giving away over $2,000. Let's get into today's video now. Right off the bat here, overall crypto market sitting at 25 fear, right? Not the best. We don't want to really see this. It's a little bit alarming, guys. This isn't what we'd like to see. However, the crypto markets are just like this right now. There isn't too much going on. Markets are slowly but surely bleeding out. I feel like a lot of people are losing interest. Your average retail investor is more or less just getting choked out of the markets right now, guys. And that is what the big players want to do. Markets are getting boring. Markets are getting stagnant. And this feels very familiar, guys. This feels like deja vu because I've gone through this at least 4 or 5 times. I've been in the market since 2017, guys. Back when I was literally a wee lad. I mean, back in 2017, I wasn't even able to like, I don't know, get my full license yet. You know what I mean? So back then, guys, I was buying my first crypto, which is literally XRP, and listen, I've been around. I know how it feels, especially when you should be buying. I know the type of sentiment that encompasses when you should be buying, and it feels very close to what it used to, right? When nobody else wants to be accumulating, that is literally when you guys need to strap up. You need to get in the work field, guys. You need to get in the fields and literally start grinding. Okay, these are the times that you either pick up more shifts at your job, you get a part-time job, guys, or you sell things that you don't need. You stop eating out, you accumulate as much as you can to grab these discounts while they last, because there's really and truly one indicator that I like to use the most, and that is the fear and greed index. And that is an indicator that has genuinely never failed me. Whenever I buy in the fear and I sell in the greed, guys, that has literally never ever failed. Okay, so just keep that in mind as you guys are navigating these markets. If you don't have any more dry powder on the sides, obviously, you know, you've been trying to catch this falling knife here, just take a step back. It's completely fine. And obviously, guys, in the in the light of recent events here, we're seeing a lot of bullish fundamental news come out. However, it's not really affecting the crypto markets as much as I would like. Toshi has been on an upward trend since the beginning of January. We have lost a very pivotal support, and that does kind of get me frightened a little bit. However, you can see in the last 24 hours, volume has gone up for Toshi, up over 100% actually, which is fairly interesting. Price within the last week is down 2.03%. Within the last month, down 32%, still sitting at around 200 million. However, again, compared to a lot of other mid caps that are within kind of the same ballpark as Toshi, it is a project that is actually holding up considerably well compared to its counterparts. And I do believe a lot of that is because of just how bullish the community is. Also, whales in the Toshi whales that are holding Toshi don't seem to be dumping off as hard as they are with other projects. Now, guys, one thing I do want to specify is if you guys are looking for guidance in these crypto markets, if you guys are looking for one-on-one support, but most importantly, if you guys are looking for my buy and sell alerts, you want to know what moves I am making in this crypto market, you want to be a part of the Memecoin Mastery. This is my private Discord where you guys get access to all things that are going on in my brain, guys. Everything in crypto. You get updates, you get buy alerts, you get sell alerts, you get to know what moves I'm making, when I'm making them, and you literally copy and trade me. Now, there's people in here who have turned $100 accounts into over 10K, who've turned $200 accounts into over 20K, who've made 20K in a month, who've made 25K in over 2 months, and the success stories just keep on growing. Obviously, past profits never guarantee future results, so I can't tell you guys, oh, the moment you join, you're just going to make $100,000. The people who put in the work, they will definitely get there, right? The people who don't, guys, and just wait for handouts, Those are the people who literally aren't going to make it in any sort of space. And I don't say that to say you need to be a part of the community. Guys, literally join anyone's community, but don't try to do this by yourself because you will get wrecked. Now, it seems like that Fibonacci level at the 0.7786 is now acting as a little bit of a cheeky resistance area. Now, I hope that isn't forever because that would be kind of bad here. You can see the price broke below that 0.786. We also lost the upward support that we were having since January. You can see bounced off of here, bounced off of here, bounced off of here. Did get a break below that, and then even a break below that 0.786, which again to me is a little bit alarming. Now I'm not going to change up my chart just so that it could show that it's still intact here, because that's not what I do. I marked up my chart a while ago, and again, if I see a break below that, it breaks below that. Do I think it could get above it? Absolutely. Obviously, first we'll have to reclaim that 0.786 fib level, and then start a move towards $278 million market cap. Who knows, guys? Maybe towards the end of November, we will see a little bit more bullish price action enter into the market. There should be a lot of bullish momentum just coming in anyways, just because fundamentally, guys, we have a lot of news coming out. Rate cuts, potentially 50 basis points in December. Let's take a look at what the Toshi community is saying. You can see here, Web3, Web2 is something that we are on as well. Toshi main literally out here producing songs about Toshi, which is actually kind of crazy. You can see here, bro's verified, has a bunch of Toshi related songs on here. And that just goes to show you the power of the community, guys. I absolutely love it. If you guys are Toshi holders and you aren't liking this video, I don't know what you're doing, because we help each other win. Let's help each other win, guys. Subscribe if you have not already. Let's get to 19K and then to 20K. And then you guys get to have a $2,000 giveaway. I look forward to that because trust me, at 5,000, I give away 500. At 10K, I give away 1,000. At 15K, I give away 1,500. And obviously at 20K, we're going to be giving away $2,000. I'm excited, and I'm kind of worried, guys, for the time that we hit 100,000 subscribers, because I'll have to give away $10,000. That's kind of crazy. But obviously, God is good. Make sure you guys are following Toshi over on X, guys. That is the one thing that I will always say. Toshi is the Doge of this cycle, says some Toshi holders over here. 100x is inevitable now. Keep in mind, 100x would push Toshi to around a $20 billion market cap, which I think is a little bit far-fetched. I don't know if we'll be able to get there, but hey, I certainly do hope we do. Toshi, you are not late. You are right on time. Bravo. Take a look at Toshi. This chart feels like it's getting ready for something big. The price keeps climbing slowly, and every time it drops, buyers jump right back in. The support is solid, and the RSI shows quiet accumulation just like before the last breakout. The setup looks almost the same as before: low volume, tight range, and a strong move up. If Toshi can push through the current resistance, we could see a fast rally towards the next zones. What really stands out is the community, strong holders, loyal supporters, and real energy-driven project. Everything is falling into place again, and it looks like Toshi might be gearing up for another powerful run. I really do hope that would be the case. However, guys, markets are rough right now. Regardless, if you just can't make a move in the markets, the best thing to do is to close your portfolio and take a step back. Listen, at the end of the day, guys, there are greater things in life than what your crypto portfolio is looking like. But with that being said, family, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys have a beautiful day. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care and peace out, fam.